to design a YouTube channel banner that attracts subscribers. Most creators make the mistake of uploading a plain banner, but today I'll show you exactly how to design a professional YouTube channel banner using Canva free version. You're not paying a penny, okay? This is gonna look like a professional did it, like literally a professional has designed it. So stick around. I will show you why and how you can save time, okay? Even more, be more creative with some options and save hours of editing time. So what you do, you open Canva, log in into your free account. On the home page, click Create Design, then select Custom Size. You enter this one that is 2560 by 14060 pixels. That's the recommended size for YouTube channel. Okay, click Create New Design. On the left panel, click Templates. In the search bar, type YouTube banner free. Ignore any templates for now that have got a crown on, like an icon. Those are for premium users. So you have to ignore this right here, that one. If you can see my pen, this little crown flashing, you have to ignore those because that's for members, premium members. If you're not a premium member yet, just use the ones without a crown, like this pink one, the breaking news one, for example. Yeah, stay away from the crowns for now. You're still a free user, so click a free template to open it. Click on the headline text in the template, delete it, and type a strong, clear title for your channel. For example, I would write Your Growth Hub or Quick Tips Daily. Then we make it bold and readable. Okay, so in here I've typed presumably the name of our channel is Your Growth Hub. So I've typed it in, made it bold, and then now I'm stretching it to make sure that it's readable from afar, because people on mobile phones will be able to read it as well. So I'm just putting it in the center, just following. You pull this little thing here and you drag it over, right? And then in here where it says lifestyle blogs by Olivia, that's the default text, and I'm going to change it to my name, Tendai. Okay, so life blogs, we might need to change that. We'll come back to it in a minute. Okay, on the second thought, let's rename this to something more in line with YouTube growth. So quick tips daily by Tendai, and then placing it in the center area so it's visible on all the devices that anybody could use. Canva shows safe zones. That's a good thing for mobile and desktop. So make sure your text stays inside this guide. So next we're going to click Elements on the left panel. Type Abstract Shapes Free or Pattern Free to add some background play. We drag shapes behind the text to make it pop. You can adjust size, rotate, and transparency from the top toolbar right here. Click Photos on the left panel if you want to add images. Type keywords relevant to your niche and drag a free photo onto the banner. Okay, so looking for frame to put on our picture. So we settled for this one right here, a little round. You can see it's basically a mock-up. So we are able to put a picture inside where you're seeing the little blue cloud. so we can bring a picture, better picture. And let's delete this old picture and look for a new one. And this is how we did it, or this is how you do it. Use the crop and position tools to fit the image behind or around your text. Okay, so to look for a free picture and image to use, let's just type model and then we'll see a few model pictures, and let's look for one that doesn't have a crown because we're using a free account at the moment. Okay, and then let's pick this lady here. Don't know what's happening with her hair in the face, but okay. If that works for your niche, then just put it into here. As you can see, it's loading and boom. So we've got our little picture. I'm just trying to center everything, but you're already guided by these white guidelines you're seeing. And then you click elements to get pictures and anything else that you want, graphics and all that. So let's type flowers, for instance. We'll just add a little flower on there. All these with yellow crowns, those are for paid members like premium. I urge you to join the premium, by the way. So I got the free one right here with no crown. Thank goodness that Canva can allow us to do this. So let's reposition it to here. Undo. You can always undo if you make a mistake. You can see now we're back to a full flower, and we need to bring it within this white border line, just making sure that everything stays in place. There you go. So this guarantees that when it's put on a website, on your YouTube, people will be able to view the whole thing on mobile as well, right? For mobile users. So everything is centered, and I'm happy with this picture. Let me see. I'm gonna try and edit it and bring down the face a little bit of this woman. So let's click the mockup and then edit, as you can see right here. So I'm just trying to get the face a bit. If that's your picture, you'll be able to do that. So I'm back to Canva again. I'm just thinking to show you guys, you see this right here, this border, it looks a bit dull, doesn't it? I'm gonna delete that, the background. Let's see, delete image. Actually, I need to delete. Let's go back right here, undo, and then we click it again and click delete grid, right? So the whole thing is gone. It's all white. So we need to tap in here again, then add elements at the bottom here, elements, and then we look for a beautiful background. Yeah. So if this is a channel for daily videos for YouTube growth, for example, let's put YouTube graphics, or just type YouTube and you see what will come. Then you choose from there. Let's check YouTube. And then we need to go to pick photos. Yeah. And then look in here. So that's perfect right here. You can see that's really good. YouTube. Okay, so what you do if you're on computer, I'm using a mobile just to show you, but it's easy on the computer. You just need to tap and click these three dots on the top, and you click set as image background right here. So when you do, it will send itself back to the whole picture in the background. There you go. Look at that. Boom. There you go. Love, love, love it. Okay, so anybody that's gonna follow you will just know what you're on about. Yeah, what your channel is about. Okay, so for just interest sake, let's click this little white box and change it to yellow. So it tells you here at the bottom, it says color. We're gonna change color to yellow, maybe. Let me see. I'm a yellow girl. Oh yeah, I like that. Suits my personality, but you can choose any color you want. Look at this, yeah, any color you want. Let's go into green and stuff, blues, reds, pinks. So we just want a touch of yellow, maybe that. let's go wild. Yeah, at the top there, then save. Then you click right here at the top. There's this arrow at the top corner here. You can see that. Yeah. So tap that, and then it gives you, that's on the computer, it should say share, but on mobile, it's that little arrow. And then you click right here, download. Then you choose PNG. Yeah, don't choose all these for now. Just choose PNG. Okay, and then I'm not going to touch these because you can see these are crowned services. You have to pay for these. Yeah, so you just change at the top there and click download. Download, and then you wait for it to download, preparing your design. There you go, save. So there you go, we have our project. It's saved in the gallery. So when you're happy with your channel banner, you come right here where there's a little pen. Yeah, a little pen at the top there of your channel. Then click that little pen. It will open all your details right here, your name and whatnot. So to change your profile picture, you click this camera here and change, but I'm not changing. And to change, I'm going to update this channel art, the banner, with the one I just made. So there you go, choose from photos. And then if you open your photos in the thingy, and you open there we go. And then what you need to do, you can see it's out of line. So you need to zoom down like this, pinch it with your two fingers, and you can see that's fitting. I know the flower is out of place a little, and our model as well. So what you need to do is go back to Canva and then reduce it, now reduce the size, make the words smaller. You just need to reduce it. You see the opposite of that, so you need to pinch it down to reduce it from side to side until it can fit in there. You come and give it another try. There you go, and then click at the top here when you're happy, click save. There you go. So you can see it will update in a second. There you go. Channel banner updated successfully. So though this is the free version of Canva, if you sign up for Canva Premium, you will unlock thousands upon thousands more templates, advanced animations, and premium elements that you cannot get on a free version. This can save you time. It gives your channel a more polished look, like a professional, and let you experiment with creative designs that stand out even more. Click the link in the description box to try Canva Premium if you want to level up faster. Also, if you would like to access Canva, the free version, just click the link in the description box. Duplicate this design to try multiple banner versions. Okay, then test which one resonates with your audience and update whenever you want a fresh look, because you need to revamp time after time again. This simple free Canva method alone can make your channel look professional and attract more subscribers immediately.